Here's a great feature. You already have a crossfader cut in your Serato DJ software. You also have the adjustment of the cut on the front panel of this controller, and you have the crossfader curve adjustment inside the effects menu. So if I click on that, it says cut in left, cut in right. So I would press in the parameter button, and I have the cut in left at 3. Now I can put it at 0. So there is no cut. You have the tightest possible crossfader curve you can get with this controller. Now we'll hit this button back. We'll hit it down to go cut in right. Press that in. It's at 3. I'm going to put it all the way down to 0 as well. Press in the parameter button. I'm going to go backward. If for some reason what you set isn't to your liking, you can scroll back down and it says restore default, and it'll go back to the 3 that it came with from the factory.